So let me share with you how I took this cabinet and turned it into this in a matter of 2 days. So this is everything you're going to need. So either screenshot this now or save it for later. First thing you're going to want to do is wipe it down, get rid of all of the dirt, and then I sprayed it with oven cleaner. I would definitely recommend using a mask when you're using the oven cleaner. I then used the scrubbing brush, scrubbed it a little bit, and then hosed it down, and then left it dry for a couple of days. And this was the end result. So it looks pretty cool. I then sanded back all of the leftover stain that was in the cabinets, and then I went ahead and tried to lighten it, which was bleaching it. My first attempt at bleaching it was a bit of a fail. So I used a mixture of 2 parts laundry detergent, 1 part bleach. And it ended up being a very wet, messy, frothy sort of mess and left streak marks and drip marks, which I really wasn't happy with. So then I went ahead the next day after all this had dried with just bleach on a cloth and made sure I rinsed it out really well. And then basically just wiped it along the cabinet. And then I used a dry cloth just to wipe it off like I normally would a stain. I was much happier with this result. I repeated it twice to get the desired color that I was looking for. Make sure you let it dry in between applications, just in case it goes a little bit too light. And then the interior of the cabinets I found really difficult to sand and to get that last bit of stain off. Now I could have reapplied the oven cleaner, but instead I just used a dark stain for the interior of the drawers. Phase 2 is to take off the top of the cabinet, build a shelf underneath, and install new hardware. So follow along, see how it turns out.